Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur ma chaîne et nouvelle vidéo. Je m'appelle Sunita, enchantée. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel and new video. My name is Sunita, nice to meet you. Today in the series, we will learn how to use the French alphabets in the form of words. And by the end of this video, you will be able to learn few French words and their meanings in English. We will also know how to pronounce these words, and at the same time, I will introduce you to a few French accent marks and other signs. French is one of the easiest European languages to learn. And French is a non-phonetic language. Le français est une langue non-phonetique. Now you all must be wondering, what does the word non-phonetic mean? Simple. Words whose pronunciation and spelling do not match are called as non-phonetic word. In other words, it is not pronounced the way it is written. So, how do we learn the language then? Simple. Let me share a few tips with you. Tip number 1. Interest to learn this language, or maybe the need. Tip number 2. Memorize. Tip number 3. Practice. If possible, write and learn. Tip number 4. Now this is one of the most important tips I would like to say. Any guesses? Correct. Listen carefully. Écoutez attentivement. Tip number 5 is repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Très bien. Very good. Look, it is not really very difficult. And then you're good to go. Are you ready to learn French with me? Commençons. So friends, now let's have a look at the list of French words along with the translations in English. A comme avion, which means aeroplane. B comme banane, which means banana. C comme crayon, which means pencil. D comme dinosaure, which means dinosaur. E comme escargot, which means snail. F comme fille, which means girl. G comme garçon, which means boy. Now if you can see, there is a little tail underneath this alphabet C. This is one of the few French accent marks, which is l'accent la cédille. This gives a soft C sound to the word garçon. We will learn about the French accent marks in my upcoming videos. So let's continue. H pour hibou, which means owl. E pour île, which means island. Now this is also one of the few French accent marks. That is l'accent circonflexe. This does not change the sound of the word. We will learn about the French accent marks later. J pour jupe, which means skirt. K comme kangaroo, which means kangaroo. L comme leaf, which means book. M comme mouton, which means sheep. N comme nuage, which means cloud. O comme orange, which means orange. O as orange, which means orange. P comme poisson, which means fish. Q comme queue, which means tail. R comme rose, which means rose or pink. S comme singe, which means monkey. T comme tortue, which means turtle. U comme usine, which means factory. V comme voiture, which means car. W comme Wi-Fi, which means Wi-Fi. X comme xylophone, which means xylophone. Y comme yaourt, which means yogurt. Z comme zéro, which means zero. Now this is also one of the few French accent marks, which is called as l'accent aigu. L'accent aigu is only used on the alphabet E. We learn about the accent aigu and many other accents, French accent marks later. friends, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with much more helpful French tutorials just like this one. So that is it for now. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt et au revoir. That means thank you very much and see you soon and goodbye.